So hey friends, I wanted to share something with you. This is my new Costway grill. It's pretty cool. It's an electric grill and griddle. Super easy to put together, no moving parts. This is the top part that's got the grill on one side and the flat griddle on the other. Other than that, it's just got this little drip plate in it and a base. And that's pretty much it. I said it's electric, so you just put the probe in the side and plug her in. And we're gonna cook some breakfast this morning. Thought we'd bring you along.
She's lost. She's lost on land again. They lost my friend. Lost on land again.
So again, super simple, real easy controls. We've got it on low for now, getting ready. We're gonna throw some food on. Guess we're not the only ones in the park having lunch today. So what do we have? We have leftover potatoes from last night's dinner and some leftover steak.
Some scrambled eggs.
Scrambled eggs.
Tortillas and cheese.
Yum.
Not that we're known for our breakfast burritos.
All right, now we're gonna give scrambled eggs a whirl and see how this works.
We're not on a flat surface, so I'm trying to be ready.
Oh, look how well that works, though. Just in case we dammed it up on one side with the eggs, the potatoes and steak. Well, that just took no time at all. So we've got breakfast. What do you think?
Looks yummy.
What do you think of the cooking device?
Oh, it's nice. I think that's going to clean right up easy, too.
Yeah, I think so.
Nice size.
Yeah, it's perfect. So to be honest with you, we actually brought the grill out here yesterday and we made hot dogs for breakfast. We decided that really wasn't much of a test for this grill, so we wanted to do something a little more in-depth. And I must say, I'm very impressed. This thing works great and quick. No mess, no fuss. All right, this park's getting a little busy, so I think we're gonna cut back over to yesterday morning's video and I'll tell you a little bit more about this grill. So hey friends, I wanted to share something with you. I just got the new Costway electric grill. So Vicki and I came to the park this morning to try it out and we thought we'd bring you along. Check this out. So this is how it came out of the box. It looks like this is the base, this is the drip pan, and this is the reversible griddle. Pretty cool. So it goes together very easily, and Vicki's going to put it together for us now.
Very easy. And
So that part's really cool. It can go either way. So you can put the plug on the right hand side or the left hand side. You can do grill or griddle. Very cool. And it does come with a very short cord, and it says on the instructions the reason for that is because it less chance of getting it yanked out or knocking the appliance off the table. So it says you can use an extension cord if needed, but of course to be very careful. So this little griddle is designed to be used inside, and we're in a covered area, so we're going to call this as inside as we get. Yep, this is inside enough, don't you think?
yes.
All right, it's on the off position now, so it's pretty easy to turn it on.
What temperature do you
I'd
think?
say let's start with the lowest and see what happens. We're going to try hot dogs today. So we put it on the grill side so we could get grill marks on our hot dogs. All right, we've got the Hebrew Nationals on there, and yep, I can definitely feel the heat from it. So we'll see how this goes. Hear that sizzle. So we turned it up another notch because we wanted to get our sizzle on. And it's sizzling. Kinda. Alright, let's see how those buns are doing. Oh, pretty.
Yeah, I should flip it. Get the other side a little.
Yep. That'll do, that'll do. I said, we're almost ready for lunch. Turning it up a little did help. Now they're kind of bubbling, so yeah, I'd say it's almost lunchtime. Man, this is pretty cool. How easy breezy is that?
So easy. And there's no smoke.
Yeah, it's
Notice?
a smokeless griddle, it says.
Very
And
cool.
I believe it. So far, I own 3 Costway items, a wide variety at that. I've got a refrigerator, an ice maker, and now this grill. And I must say, I am very pleased with all of their items. They have such a wide variety of things that they sell. They even have Christmas trees coming up, so I'm looking forward to maybe getting one of those. They're a really good price, and they are really well built. So I wanted to thank Costway for sending me this to try out, and I will be getting a lot of use out of it. If you guys are interested in this or any of their other items, I'm going to leave a link below to where you can go check it out. And if you want to find this grill, I'll try to leave a link to it specifically as well. Very, very fun. So I think Costway's going to give my viewers a 10% off coupon, and if so, I will put a link below to that as well. So thanks so much for watching. Y'all stay lost, my friends, and happy cooking.